Hello and welcome back. My name is Sean, also known as ChilliChump. Today's video is going to be a little different. I have a few announcements to make, including winners from my last live stream. Let's get straight into it. First thing to announce is a ChilliChump logo or branding refresh. Now, you may have already noticed this on my YouTube page or on my various social media or on my websites, and I absolutely love it. Thank you, Mrs. ChilliChump. You did a fantastic job. It was exactly what I envisioned. As part of that, if you go check out chillichump.com/shop, not only will you see the new logo, but I have some merchandise available. There is a cap with the ChilliChump logo, and there is a bottle opener keyring type thing, bright red, perfect for the end of the day after picking a bunch of chilies and cracking open a beer. So go check that out, and thank you so much if you do go and support me in that way. It is really appreciated. The second announcement is actually something to do with that. If you are new to my channel, I do a live stream on the first Sunday of every month. And on the last live stream, we had a bit of technical difficulties, so I couldn't do the giveaway that I normally do. And I have a few winners to announce today. We're going to be giving away some of that branded merch. The three winners are Sebastian Lisinski, congratulations, Jerry Thornhill, and Liz Openhace. So congratulations to the three of you. I will contact you by email and we'll get those shipped out to you. The final announcement is about the Stay Spicy recipe book. Some of you may have noticed that my recipe book has gone out of stock in my store. About 3 weeks ago, I sold the last hard copy of it. For the last few years, for everyone that's purchased the book from me, thank you so much. I hope that you're getting a lot of joy and value out of it. There's tons of recipes in there for hot sauce and all the rest. Now, I am looking at getting some hard copies printed again. I'm just trying to find someone that's going to print it to the quality of the original, and that's proving quite difficult at a decent price, but I will get that sorted out. The real good news here is that we're finally going to be converting it into an ebook, and we're going to have that up for sale on chillichump.com/shop. So make sure you go and sign up to my newsletter. I'll announce it as soon as it's available. I am hoping to be able to put it up in Amazon as well. I just need to work out the logistics of all that, but at least some of the folks that are out there that haven't been able to buy the physical copy of it over the years because of shipping issues or things like that, you'll finally be able to get yourself a copy of the Stay Spicy ChilliChump recipe book. The other bit of good news there, part of the final announcement here, is that the second recipe book is well underway, and hopefully not too long. Hopefully it's going to be here before Christmas, so you'll have plenty new recipes to check out and a lot more tasty, spicy treats to make. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a fantastic long weekend if you live here in the UK. We're off to Whitstable. We're going to be eating lots of oysters, and I cannot wait. Going to spend some time with my family and hopefully have a bit of downtime. Until the next video, thank you so much for watching, and stay spicy.